Now, what is the most universal greeting, most appropriate greeting you can give to someone? I know you can say, "What's up?" You could say, "How are you?" You could say, "Good morning." You could say, "Have a great day." But the universal greeting that is the most appropriate in any situation would be one where even if someone lost a loved one, it would still be appropriate. If someone is still going through turmoil, a lot of different things going on, it would still be the most appropriate. Now, this greeting is also a blessing. And that greeting is Rugare, or in English, peace. Peace be unto you is a blessing and a greeting, appropriate for any occasion, any and every day. Rugare. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Peace.